Hello there, it's me, Tech Reformist here, and today I'll be showing you how you can free up Windows storage space on your Windows device. This tutorial will make sure you can free up as much space as possible on your Windows device. Number 1. So first of all, we start off by pressing Windows plus R on our keyboard, or you can go to the search bar and search up Run. Now that we have Run opened, we write %, temp, %, and click OK. This will open up temporary files on your Windows device that you don't really need, and they just take up space. So, to remove this, we will click on Ctrl plus A, then right click and click on Delete. In most cases, there will be a few files you can't delete, and I would just skip them. Number 2. When the first step is done, we'll go to the search bar again and search up Disk Cleanup. As you can see, it popped up here, and we just go ahead and open it up as an administrator. Then you choose the driver you want to clean. In my case, it's this one. Then you make sure all the options are clicked, and you click on OK. Then you just simply press on Delete Files, and you're done. Number 3. The third step is to open Command Prompt. We do this by searching up in the search bar and open it as an administrator. It's really important that you open it up as an administrator, or this may not work. In here we write ipconfig/flushdns. When you type out this command on your computer and press enter, it clears out a list your computer keeps of websites you visited. And no, this won't remove the cookies you have on your browser applications. I'll leave the command in the description if you just want to copy and paste it. Number 4. Now we're on to the fourth step in this tutorial. For this step, we'll first open Settings. You can do this by right-clicking the Windows icon, then click on Settings. From here, we go to Apps, Installed Apps. Here you can look through the apps you have on your Windows device and delete whatever you don't need or use anymore. But make sure not to delete programs you don't know the function of, because that can make a whole other set of problems. Number 5. The fifth step is only for those of you that use Spotify. If you don't use Spotify on your PC, you can just go ahead and skip this step. But for those that does use Spotify on your PC, we start off by opening up the Spotify application. Then we look up to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. When we're here, we click on Settings. When you clicked on Settings, we scroll down till we can see Storage. On the storage section, you can see the cache and the option to clear cache. Go ahead and just do this. This will free up some space as well, and again will free up some space on your Windows device. When you're done, you can just simply go ahead and close the Spotify application. Number 6. Step number 6 is short, and it's to always remember to empty your recycle bin. So, just go ahead and go to the recycle bin icon, and then right click on it and empty recycle bin. Number 7. This step is only for those with using a hard drive. If you're using a SSD as your boot driver, you can just skip this step, since it won't really benefit you at all. Okay, let's get started. First, we go to the search bar. Here you search defragment and optimized drives. And when you search it up, you just go ahead and open it. Then this window will pop up. As you can see, both of my drivers are SSDs, but I'm still gonna do this step as a demonstration. So select your hard drive and click on optimize. If you have multiple hard drives, you can just do this step multiple times. Number 8. To help clean your C drive or keep it tidy, here's a simple way you can make sure your computer stays organized. It won't handle everything automatically, but it can help remove unwanted files over time. We can just go and right click your Windows icon again and then click on settings. When you're here, you can just go to system, then you go to storage settings. And here you just have to go to the storage sense option and click on it. By default, it's turned off. So just go ahead and turn on storage sense. And you'll see additional settings appear, but you can leave these settings as they are, or you can adjust them to suit your needs. It's all very straightforward. By enabling storage sense, your computer will periodically clean up unnecessary files, helping to keep things running smoothly. Number 9. For the 9th and last step, we will remove prefetch files. Prefetch files are small cache files that Windows create to help programs open faster. When you open up an app, Windows records data about how it loads and it stores it in the prefetch folder. The next time you open up the app, it will open it up faster. However, the reason we want to delete prefetch files, if you haven't in a long time, is because Windows also keep old and unused data, which is taking up space. We don't want that. Therefore, we want to remove this old and unused data. Your apps will open a bit slower after deletion, but it won't last for that long. We start off by opening up Run. Hold Windows plus R on your keyboard. In here, we type prefetch. When we are in the prefetch folder, we copy all by pressing Ctrl plus A and then right click and then just click on delete. Just like that, this step is also done. Hopefully, after all of these steps combined, you will now have more space on your Windows device. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.